Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might find yourself needing to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're switching platforms for better features or just managing your portfolio, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Uphold. You'll need to verify your Uphold wallet address to ensure everything goes smoothly. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to your crypto section. Find your Ethereum holdings and select the option to withdraw or transfer assets. It's usually under a Send or Withdraw button. Robinhood's interface is pretty user-friendly, but if you're new, take a moment to explore. Step 2. Choose Ethereum as the asset you want to transfer. Enter the amount you'd like to move. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Step 3. Select the withdrawal network. For Ethereum, you'll typically use the Ethereum network, so double-check that it's set correctly to avoid any failed transactions. Next, Step 4. Input your Uphold wallet address. You can find this in your Uphold account under the Ethereum section. Paste it carefully and verify it matches exactly. Typos are a common mistake. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and destination. Once you're confident, confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Robinhood. After that, head over to Uphold and keep an eye on your account. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And in 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, make sure you're aware of any new fees or restrictions in your region. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.